This is Randy Bell with the Courier podcast, the place to come for the latest Clinton news. With a 6-0 vote on December 5th, the Clinton Board of Aldermen adopted a plan to bring the city's ward lines into compliance with the population shifts that the 2020 census identified. The only board member who didn't vote in favor of Plan 9 was Ward 1's Karen Godfrey, who was absent. The vote ended a lengthy redistricting process during which the board initially considered 6 maps. Then the local NAACP submitted an alternative plan saying it better reflected the city's demographics. The board voted 4-3 on September 19th to adopt Plan 7, but Mayor Phil Fisher vetoed the action on the grounds that the ward lines split too many subdivisions. No attempt was made to override the veto. Later, the mayor and a couple of the board members came up with 2 more ward maps, and it was the last of the 9 that won approval. Ward 5 Alderwoman Beverly Oliver made the motion to adopt Plan 9.
I'm excited. That should show the city that we can finally get to a point, and we work until we can come to a consensus. We've got a huge assignment done after taking our time, not rushing through. It's been 1.5 years we worked on this. So I think we came up with a great plan for the city.
Following the meeting, Ward 2 Alderman Jim Martin said,
"We've gone through a long, arduous process for this, and one of the reasons we had that many maps was because when there were issues and concerns raised, we tried to revise the map to address those issues. And I believe Map 9 addressed all of the issues that had been raised. That map was better than I thought all of the others. I'm glad we took a little extra time to do it, and I'm glad that it got support by the board."
Local NAACP officials had indicated earlier they might file a challenge if the board adopted any map other than the one they submitted. After the meeting, they declined comment on their next move. Martin said the redistricting process was handled appropriately.
Everyone had an opportunity for input. NAACP certainly did. They had a map that got well considered as well, too, and it was just not the one that was adopted.
Ward 6 Alderman James Lott, the only African-American on the board, said he's not sure what the NAACP's next steps will be, but
if they do decide to take action, it won't affect us moving forward with our business of the city.
Lott noted that even though he voted for Plan 9, he still preferred the NAACP's map. However,
we're trying to move forward and get business done, and I think the only way we were going to be able to get business done was with Map 9. I think that gave us the best chance.
The mayor says he won't issue a veto this time.
It's a map we can live with.
And after debating redistricting for well over 1 year, Fisher says it can't be suggested that the city railroaded a plan through.
We cannot be accused of that.
I'm Randy Bell.